Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to True Telos Trading. We have an S quality stock that popped up this morning, late this morning. It was about after 8, a little bit, like 5 minutes after 8, where it popped up on our screen. This is unprecedented. We are now in a bull market. We are up today by a lot. This is the record green day for our account. Let's go ahead and get into that stock of the day. All right, the stock that we traded this morning, the ticker was WLDS. It had breaking news today is September 10th, 2025. The stock had breaking news this morning. As a matter of fact, the news came out super late. It came out at about 8:06 or 8:05. So it came out super late. So this is a 3 here. The stock had less than 10 million shares for a float. As a matter of fact, it had 2.2 million shares. This would be a 2 here. It was trading above the 200 moving average. The 200 moving average on this stock was about $1.50. The stock when we bought it was at $3.57. So this will be a 2 here. It was well over 50% on the day when I looked at it. It was close to over 1 to 200% on the day. So this would be a 1. The stock was under $10. Like we said, we bought it at $3.57. So this would be a 1. It was the number 1 stock in the market when we started to trade it, or it was a number 2 stock in the market when we started to trade it. So this will be a 1 here. And later on in the morning, after we got done trading it, it did pop up to all-time highs. So this would be a 1 here. So this isn't an A+ quality stock. This is an 11, which makes this the first S quality stock that we've traded on this account. So the first S quality stock that we traded on this account, we are up on it on the day. Let's go ahead and get into the chart to see how we traded this stock today. This is our stock we traded this morning, WLDS. As you can see, this thing went up tremendously. Came from down here, $1.71 all the way up here to $10.87. That is a crazy move. We got into this trade around this area. Let me look up the time that we got into this trade. About 8:01. 8:01 we got into this trade. So about right here in this area here. So we saw this stock popping up off the news. We put it into our True Telos Trading grading scale after figuring the news. We marked off the high of day on the previous day. Let me go back and find that. The high of day on the stock on the previous day yesterday was $3.85. So $3.85. We marked that spot off here. We bought for the break of this high of day on this giant candle here with about 2 million shares of volume here on this 1 minute candle. So we bought here. I was a little bit afraid after I saw this drop back down. We were able to fill up here at $3.57. So right here, right at the top of this candle, we filled. I had bought a full position with full buying power. It was 937 shares of this stock at that 357. So when I saw it drop back down here, I did get a little bit scared. But because it was at the time an A+ quality stock, I stuck with the conviction of sticking with this stock. As soon as the stock came back up here and broke that high of day and made a little bit of a retrace, we went ahead and sold our entire position at $3.91. So right here, as it was coming back down, we sold our entire position at $3.91. But as you see, that was just a pullback on this stock. It was just a 1 minute pullback. Right after we sold our position, this thing broke that high of day and went all the way up here on this candle to $5.66. Made another small pullback, went all the way up here to $8.83, made a small pullback here, and then topped out on the day at $10.87. And this is all before market open. I believe that now we are definitely in a bull market, and being patient and waiting for these stocks that are A plus quality or S quality, according to our True Telos Trading rating scale, are going to be the things that make us profitable. We had about 9 stocks pop up this morning that were in 8 on our True Telos Trading rating scale. And just like we said yesterday, these are the stocks that are trapping traders. They pop up very, very fast, thinking, and us as traders, we're thinking that these stocks are going to continue to go up. But because they are not a high of a grade, because we're in a bull market now, those stocks are dropping very fast. That's what I call a bull trap for traders who do not know the correct stocks to be getting in at a time like this. We have to be patient and wait for those stocks to pop up that are of higher quality than the ones that we are seeing in the morning. And this one was one of those ones. Like I said, it was an A plus quality trade when I traded it this morning. And as it kept progressing, it broke all-time highs to become an S quality legendary trade. So we bought this stock at $3.57. We bought 937 shares of it, and we sold the entire position at $3.91. That gave us a profit today of $318.83. It's the most that we made on this account so far. And since we're in a bull market, I'm predicting that we are going to keep on being patient when it comes to these stocks that are popping up, and only trading those stocks that are A plus and S quality. It's going to help us grow the account. It's going to help us mitigate risk now that we are in a bull market like we are. I hope that you enjoyed listening, and welcome to True Telos Trading. The beginning of a bull market, this is the time that we have to lean in on the stocks that are of higher quality. According to the True Telos Trading rating scale, we're going to continue to do so and be patient and wait for those stocks to pop up. Some days they won't, and we have to be patient and not take trades on that day. And for the days that they do, we have to have conviction in those trades and actually take them to grow the account with the least amount of risk possible. If you enjoy this content, please do not be afraid to like and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and ask. As always, I am an open book, and I have a million questions for you. Welcome to True Telos Trading, and I will see you tomorrow.